Hey everybody, it's Miss Brand New, aka Cherry, and I'm here with another video. I know it's been a long time, but we're here to sprinkle some green glitter, so let's go. We're gonna start out with the brows, and that's the LA Girl pencil in the black for the tail. And then the brown for the front. Then we're going to take that spoolie and blend it in all together. To neaten it, we're going to use the LA Girl Pro concealers in Toffee for the bottom. And then for the top, we're going to use Beautiful Browns. Alright, so that's the NYX Milk Pencil. And we're using Morphe Jaclyn Hill palettes today. So the first one is the Dark Magic palette in the color Shh, which is like a skin tone color for the crease. Then we're going to use Busted, which is a deep blue. And I'm just going to put that on the crease itself, underneath the crease itself. It takes a little bit to deepen it, but we're going to get there. Just keep tapping it in. Then we're going to use the color Potion. I was going for an olive color. I don't know, I was just feeling that color green, and that was perfect. So of course I was winging it, wasn't really sure at the beginning what I was going to do, but this is the result. Once I laid down the olive green, I took the blue brush again that I used and start blending them together. Then I took that next color, which is Trickery, and put it in between the blue and the olive color for a nice transition blend. Then I'm going to take the Armed and Gorgeous palette and get this color called Coin and put it right on top of the olive. Then I'm going to take my Duo Clear Lash Glue and put it right on top of the gold. Reason I am putting it over that and I put the gold down in originally is so that when I do add the glitter, it'll show the gold in between it, just for fillings. And this glitter is from Artist Moon Beauty. It's a blend that she created, so it works perfectly. Then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Megaliner and we're going to create a wing, of course. Alright, so we have the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. My ass used a little bit too much and got a little happy. Now I'm looking like Ghostface, but it's okay. Then I'm using the Milani 2-in-1 Perfect and Conceal foundation in the color Golden Toffee first. And then we're going to use the color Chestnut. And blend it all out. And we're going to take the Toffee concealer and we're going to highlight. And my apologies if y'all hear any talking in the background, because my neighbor's going to turn up real quick, of course, with all the talking. So yeah, anyway, so we're going to buff this out real quick. Then we're going to use the Makeup Revolution Glow palette, Glow Bronzer, sorry, in the color Deep, and we're going to contour. Then we're going to take the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder and we're going to melt and blend all of that together. And we're going to take the Astronaut Glam Highlight in 24 karat and put that in the inner corner. You know I love a good pop. And then these are some random lashes that I got from AliExpress. Not sure which ones, but I love them. I gotta figure it out. And the lip combo. So first we have the Crayon Case Rule Breaker Lippie in Broadway for the outline. Then we're going to take the Rule Breaker Lippie in Adams and put it in the middle and pop it out. Then we're going to take a brush and blend those two colors together. Then I have the Artist Beauty lip gloss in Nude Beach, and it smells so good. Then we're going to take the Artist Beauty Glowmatic palette, there you go, and we're going to add a little highlight. Buff it out with your finger so it's not too much. And we're all done, just like that. I think it turned out really pretty. And, you know, of course the hair on point and everything else. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay sticking with me. Newbies, thank you and welcome. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow my social medias. This is all the information right here. And I will see you guys later.